Hello everyone, Miss D here. As you can see, we're working in our resource sheet. By this time, you should know how to navigate to your resource sheet. If you do not know how to navigate to your resource sheet on your own, I'm going to ask you to go back through your book and read how to navigate to your resource sheet, because you're going to have to know this information for your final exam, which is only, 4 weeks away. So today in this particular lesson, we're going to understand the difference between a standard rate and a cost use. I asked everyone to make sure that they put in the standard rate all of the costs, okay, that's allocated to your different resources. Cost use is only used for over and above the cost of the standard rate, such as a one-time charge, delivery costs, mailing costs, uh, maintenance costs. Okay, so for this particular lesson, we're going to be dealing with task 11. So if you double click task 11, it'll bring up your resource information dialog box. Okay, I want to show you a different way to get that same dialog box. You can go to your properties group, click on information, and it brings up the same box. You see that we have 4 tabs across the top. We're going to be working in our cost tab. We're looking at our cost rate table. This is table A. Table A is the default. You see the per use cost, there's 0 there, but you see for the standard rate, this camera is costing this particular company $1,000 a week. So the per use, every time you use this particular camera, it's going to cost you $100. So just type in 100, and to solidify that, you can either click this check mark if you want to and click OK, and you can see the cost use will now say $100. Okay, so I just want to make sure you understand the difference between standard rate and the cost use. Cost use is usually a one-time charge. It's over and above the cost of your resources. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to assign multiple pay rates for a resource. So we're going to click in where it says Li Yang. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, please let me know if I pronounced it wrong. So we're going to activate or enable the resource information dialog box. And we're working again in the cost tab, on the cost tab. And you can see that this is a cost rates table. We are in the default, which is the cost rate for A. Now you can apply different tables to different resources. So you're going to apply different cost rate tables to different resources later on. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to set the different tables. So in B, the cost rate table B, click on that. The standard rate is 0 because we haven't put anything in these fields as of yet. So we're going to make our standard rate $15 an hour. So you type 15 slash H for hour. Okay. And we're going to say its overtime rate is 22.50 an hour. And we know that's slash H. And there's no per use cost for this particular resource. Okay. And we click OK. All right. And that's it for this particular lesson. The next lesson, we're going to apply a different cost rate to an assignment. All right. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.